Hello and welcome to Affinity. Sometimes when you're doing some editing, it's useful to be able to say, I'll try this way or I'll try that way, or before I tried this or after I tried this. This comparing of one thing against the other is known in some ways as A/B testing. Is it A or is it B? So for example here, let's take this picture, we'll duplicate it, and just for example, we'll put on some curves here and say, I'm going to try something in here. Maybe I'm just going to try just lifting the light in this picture there. That makes it a little bit lighter. Okay. And what if I had a blend into this? So I go down, put in an overlay blend. Now I can do, because I've got a layer on top of here, I can turn this layer on and off to see before and after. So I'm doing A, B there against it. So before the original picture and after my adjustment. But also if I wanted to say try something else but not throw away what I've already got, very simple way to do that is to click on one, then shift click on the bottom one, doesn't matter how many layers they are, so you selected them all so they're all blue, then hit Control G, puts them all together in a group. And now hit Control J, that duplicates that group, so I've now got two groups exactly the same. So if I open up this top group here, go to this curves adjustment, I can now try something else. If I turn this up here, say maybe I'll do a bit of an S curve, put some more darks into that, and bring down the lights a little bit there, and I can say, all I need to do here, because I've got two groups, effectively I've adjusted that top group. If I turn that top group on and off, I'm looking so turn that off, I can see the one underneath, and that's the adjustment I've got. And if I turn on the top one, this is the alternative. And if I like this one, say, and I don't like the bottom one, I can just hit the delete key, click on the bottom one, hit delete, and I've now thrown away that first set. I'm going on with this first one. If I change my mind, I can actually undo that and bring it back again, or I can hit the top one and say I'm actually going to keep that for a while, but I'm just going to turn it off because I might come back to it. So there you go, very simply A/B testing. Do copies. You can group everything together and copy one thing or another. If you've taken something and you say I've deleted this, I'm back to this one here, I've got a group here. If I say I don't need that group anymore, I can right click it and go down to ungroup or hit Control Shift G. And I've now got back to that without having the extra slight complication of the group on it. Always do that A/B testing. Make an adjustment, try this, try that, show with it, show it without, even if it's just turning the adjustment layer on or off, or you can group the whole thing together and do a whole bunch of things and just try this and try that. And so always look at this, look at that. You can zoom in as well, see details. So there you go, A/B testing. Keep doing it. Thank you very much for watching.